Let's start with breathing awareness. Simply sit in any comfortable position. If you're sitting on the ground, then try to sit in Padmasana, Vajrasana, Sukhasana, or any other comfortable seated posture. And if you're sitting on the couch or chair, then go ahead, close your eyes and become aware of your body for a moment. Become aware of your body and release any tension if you may be feeling. Now, direct your awareness onto your breath, and once again, become aware of your breath. See how breath comes in and how does it go out, and what happens when breath comes in and out. Also become aware, what does this breathing do that you intake? What does it do to your body? When you inhale, prana goes in, vitalize your body. And as you breathe out, toxins and unnecessary product go out of your breath. Today, we will do Nadi Sodhan Pranayama with the ratio of inhale 5, hold 3, and exhale 8. About 5 rounds. So let's get ready with your right hand into Vishnu Mudra, left hand in Chin Mudra, left hand resting on your knee. Now inhale into your abdomen, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now inhale fully completely and completely air out, all the way air out. Close your right nostril, inhale left, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hold, 3, 2, 1, exhale right, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, inhale 5 right, 4, 3, 2, 1, hold, 3, 2, 1, exhale left, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, inhale left, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hold, 3, 2, 1, exhale right, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, inhale right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hold, 3, 2, 1, exhale left, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, inhale left, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hold, 3, 2, 1, exhale right, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, inhale right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hold, 3, 2, 1, exhale left, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop your hand down, keep your eyes closed, both hands into Chin Mudra, Yan Mudra, or in front wherever comfortable. Sit quietly for a while and prepare in your mind for Bhastrika. Bhastrika, If you're sitting on the ground, then try to sit in Padmasana, Siddhasana. My most favorite for this practice is Padmasana. Otherwise, you can do it on the chair or couch. Make fist of your hands. Bring your elbows at the shoulder level. Then inhale into your abdomen. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. On the next inhalation, you're going to raise your arms up. And as you exhale, forcefully your arms down. Let's begin. 10. Exhale. Bring your hands down, keep your eyes closed, and sit quietly for a while. Let this energy settle and prepare for the second round of 15 pumping. Second round, make fist of your hands, elbows at the shoulder level. Inhale normal. Exhale. On the next inhale, bring your arms up, and as you exhale, arms down. Exhale, inhale, and exhale. Release and relax. Make sure that anytime you feel dizzy, stop the practice and lay down and relax. Do not do more pumping than you can. Third round. Make fist of your hands, elbows at the shoulder level. Normal inhale. Exhale. This time we will do 20 pumpings. Inhale. Exhale. And begin. Exhale and release and relax. Sit quietly for a while. Keep your eyes closed. At this point, gently lie down with your feet apart, hands apart, palm facing upward the ceiling. Let go and relax for at least 2 minutes. Today's practice is completed.